You open your banking app one morning and see a number that stops you cold. $10,000 sitting in savings, and after a full year of responsible saving, it earned you exactly $50. That's it. $50 for 12 months of discipline. If that stings a little, stay with me, because by the end of this video you'll know exactly how to fix it. Hey everyone, welcome back to Canada Finance with Alex, the channel where we turn confusing money topics into simple, actionable steps. I'm Alex, and today we're tackling something a lot of you have asked about. How do you actually move from being a saver to being an investor, without putting your financial security at risk? Because here's the hard truth. Saving alone will almost never make you wealthy. Saving protects your money. Investing grows it. Those are two completely different jobs, and confusing them is why so many people stay stuck. Let's talk numbers for a second. $10,000 in a savings account earning 1% gives you $10,100 after a year. Put that same $10,000 into something tracking the stock market's historical average of around 10%, and you're looking at $11,000 after just 1 year. Stretch that out to 20 years, and the gap becomes almost unfair. Saving at 1% gets you to about $12,200. Investing at 10% gets you to roughly $67,000. Same starting point, wildly different destination. The real wealth gap isn't between people who save and people who spend. It's between people who save and people who never take the next step into investing. So why doesn't everyone make that jump? It's not the math. It's psychology. A savings account feels solid. It doesn't move. Investments fluctuate, and that uncertainty scares people off. So let's fix that with a clear, 5-step path you can actually follow. Step 1. Build a real emergency fund first. Before you invest a single dollar, get 3 to 6 months of expenses saved in cash. This money isn't for growth, it's your buffer against job loss, medical bills, or car repairs. Most panic selling happens because people invested money they needed too soon. An emergency fund protects your investments from your own life. Step 2. Mentally separate saving from investing. Think of 2 buckets. One is safety money, it stays still. The other is growth money, and its entire job is to fluctuate on its way up over time. Once you separate these in your head, the anxiety drops dramatically. Step 3. Start small. You don't need thousands of dollars to begin. Most platforms let you start with $50 or $100. At this stage, the goal isn't huge returns. It's building the habit, because consistency beats timing every single time. Step 4. Keep it simple. Skip the day trading, the options, the crypto speculation. Index funds, which track the broader market instead of betting on single companies, consistently outperform complicated strategies for most people. Even Warren Buffett has pointed regular investors toward low-cost index funds again and again. Step 5. Stay consistent and let time do the work. Say you invest $300 a month at an 8% average return. After 25 years, you'd have around $285,000, and you only contributed $90,000 of that yourself. The rest, nearly $200,000, is pure compounding. Think of it like this. Saving is seeds in a jar, safe, but nothing ever grows. Investing is planting those seeds in soil. It looks messy at first, but given time, it becomes something far bigger than what you started with. And yes, markets crash sometimes, that's normal. But if you're investing consistently, downturns actually let you buy more for less, setting you up for stronger gains when things recover. So here's your path forward. Build your emergency fund, separate your buckets, start small, keep it simple, and stay patient. Saving gives you stability. Investing gives you freedom. The sooner you combine both, the sooner your future starts working for you instead of the other way around. If this helped clear things up, hit that subscribe button and drop a comment below. Are you still in the saving phase, or have you already started investing? Let me know, I read every comment. This is Alex, and I'll see you in the next one.